Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin is trading around $115,032 today, after a brief surge that pushed it to a high of approximately $116,000. Cooler US inflation data and expectations of a Federal Reserve rate cut have eased selling pressure, while ETF inflows continue to bolster market liquidity. In fact, US Bitcoin ETFs have seen net inflows exceeding $500 million today, marking a fourth consecutive day of fresh capital into the space. In a notable move from long-term holders, a Bitcoin whale who had been dormant for nearly 13 years has reactivated a portion of their stash. The whale shifted 137.03 Bitcoin, valued at nearly $16 million, signaling potential portfolio adjustments as early adopters begin to re-engage in the market. Meanwhile, Gemini, the crypto exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, has priced its IPO at $28 per share. The offering, which has been oversubscribed by 20 times, is set to begin trading on Nasdaq under the ticker GEMI. Despite facing recent losses, Gemini aims to leverage the funds raised to expand its user base and trading volumes, further integrating into the mainstream financial landscape. Across the sector, blockchain lender Figure Technologies made a strong debut on Nasdaq, with its shares surging over 24%. This impressive performance highlights growing confidence in tokenized finance and the disruptive potential of blockchain-based lending models. Regulatory and security updates also have market participants on alert. Coinbase has accused the SEC of destroying nearly a year's worth of critical text messages from former chair Gary Gensler, and is now seeking court sanctions to demand transparency and accountability. At the same time, a sophisticated phishing exploit managed to drain over $3 million in USDC from a multi-signature wallet, underscoring the persistent security challenges in crypto. Network activity remains robust as well. Ethereum reached a record of 12 million daily smart contract calls, reflecting strong usage and additional interest from institutional platforms. Altcoins are buzzing too. Dogecoin rallied nearly 6% ahead of its anticipated ETF launch, and XRP is carefully trading within a tight range as technical indicators suggest an imminent breakout. In mining news, Bitcoin's hash rate hit a record 1.12 billion terahashes per second, with mining difficulty climbing to an all-time high of 136.04 trillion. Miners' holdings have reached a 90-day high, hinting at further bullish signals for the flagship cryptocurrency. Other trends include growing digital asset treasuries and innovative steps toward tokenization of traditional financial products, all of which continue to shape a resilient and evolving crypto bull market. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready. This podcast is automated by artificial intelligence and is for information purposes only. Nothing stated constitutes legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.